Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Bender, Episode 3 by Codingame. I'm Anatoly, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here or you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, Bender is back for a new adventure, in which he is presented with a series of programs, but before he installs them, he wants to evaluate their performance. Let's determine the complexity of each algorithm and choose the most optimal one. This puzzle requires implementing regression analysis on large sets of data. This gets you a close look into the theory of algorithm complexity. Given a set of data extracted from performance measures, you need to determine the corresponding algorithm complexity using regression analysis. Let's dive into the code. Read initial points. Find a first, a middle, and last points. Define a hing-allow difference. Now, for a ratio value and its invested value, determine the complexity of each algorithm. And print it. Works. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at CGX formatter and parsing strings in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.